look, it's a JJ. Damn, gisi, bruh. Boobies.
Hey Bayhanas, it's me Issa and welcome back to another video. Woot woot! Today is a very special video because I have invited over a very special guest. I am gonna have my husband react to different birthing videos. Enjoy! Introducing the sperm to my egg.
Hi everybody, I'm Paulo. I'm the sperm.
Are you a doctor?
I'm a graduate of Dr. House University.
I'm gonna be a mom. Whoa. Thank you so much. I gotta get you a gift or something.
Sometimes the best gift is the gift of never seeing you again.
Okay.
Okay, so the first video is I'm going to show you what an epidural injection looks like. You know what an epidural injection is?
Yeah, you
Unya, unsa may point.
para you don't feel stuff.
So here it is.
Yeah, I've seen those a lot in Dr. House. The same-
Wait, oh my god.
I know, it goes in between your spine. Di ba ganyan sa anak kasakit compared sa lumbar puncture?
Murag ka nakasuway. Pero di na daw kaka-feel sa sakit ani pa.
Da, sa spine sad na ibutang, uy.
Di na kuno kaka-feel sa sakit ini ka injection kay sakit na kuno kay imo labor.
Oh.
Singisi ra siya ko man. It doesn't bother you because it's not gonna happen to you. So what I'm gonna show you now is the part where the baby comes out of the vagina. So this is a normal childbirth.
I've seen that. It's like, oh, look, it's a JJ.
Look at the daddy, he's there.
That's in the States.
Pwede manggod ka na, ah?
I think I've seen this already before.
Oh, that's a big head. Did you know sometimes they break the shoulder? Where hugas ako nagtanaw gamay. Sorry, Lord.
I'm fine.
If you can handle seeing this on video, kaya ni mo muuban ako sa DR if sugtan ka.
I don't want to be in a delivery room with my
Sabay
hand.
mo picture na ko.
What picture?
Magpa-picture ko ng anak.
You want a video too?
Yeah, actually ganan ko gingon ato sa nako ihimog Bayhana video.
Sige.
So you did it well. You got through the two ones pretty well. The next I'm gonna show you is spontaneous breech delivery. Breech delivery is when the feet come out first, okay? So here you go.
Pwede pa din na ipadayo, no?
Yeah. I guess like they're really hanas na ba? I think ang doctor ani maayo na sa gyud kayo.
What?
Kayo lagi kay ko.
Oh, what did you want me to react?
Ako lagi ang dili okay. The big bigat po. May
How do you know?
collium staining kanang green. Nakapoop na siya inside.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, munang delikado if makapoop inside.
Gabiha ka malleable nila, no? I survived.
My mom was breech. Mo daw ng mayo daw siya muhilot pa. Have you heard of a vacuum extraction?
Yeah.
What do you know about it?
They use this vacuum device to, like, get your head or something.
Yes. Anyway, so I'm gonna show you what a vacuum extraction looks like so you are aware. Okay? So here it is. That's the vacuum. Gabihag pamatids mama eh.
When did they use the vacuum and you can't push it?
When maglisod na gidugutong ang mama niya, dili na ka makasias. It's basically already out.
Damn, gisi, bruh.
What if magisay ako ay anak ko?
That's why you don't eat too much, sweetheart. You keep the baby tiny.
Kaya ko na.
You won't able to feel anything now. You got the epidural. That's why when I say don't eat too much, what you do? It's okay.
Ito so painful. I wonder how long we can have sex after the
3 months.
Did my makeup get compact?
What man?
So that was the vacuum extraction. The next is the C-section delivery.
Yeah.
So you know what a C-section is already, right?
Yeah, they form a letter C on your tiyan.
Some are
Sa
like
ubos.
that, and then if it's really emergency case, transverse. It's just like good.
Where's all the intestines?
Wait, bear.
Oh.
Oh no, I don't think they take it out.
Oh, they don't, they? I always thought they also had to take them out.
Did you see it? It's not that bad. Di kay siya sakit tan-ahon. But this
It
is
looks
the one
cool.
that's the most dangerous one.
No, really?
Because it's so dangerous for the mom.
Okay,
Her body.
any general surgery good dangerous for
Yeah.
the patient.
Then the healing time is really good. I was born C-section. The next video I'm gonna show you is something that I would have wanted for myself.
Oh, the water birth?
Yeah. How did you know? Did you see?
You told me.
Ang nakalisod anang water birth mo good kay dili nimo ma-measure ang amount
Blood
of
loss.
blood loss. So here's a water birth if you've never seen one before.
Boobies!
You're 34 years old, man.
What's the difference sa water birth?
Mas normal kuno ang transition from womb to earth. Murag dili makalitan ang bata ba?
It's like your boobs.
We could do it in the sala if you want.
No. It's cool, it's cute.
It looks cool, no? The last video I'm going to show you is the original way of giving birth.
What, sticks and stones?
What do you think they did with the sticks and the stones?
I don't know, slap or something? I don't know.
This is the most traditional way of giving birth, and then some women still do it until now.
Oh, they do it standing up?
Yeah.
But that's so dangerous though. Para gravity can help you.
Yeah. Na ay murag magtuwad ka or something.
Why doesn't she put like a kutsyon or something underneath?
I don't know, babe.
I think that's fine.
Yeah, magkupot na sa murag bar or something.
Pero dili sakit kay steel. See? Kapoy na kay iyang quads.
Oh man, she's doing everything. Would you want me to give birth standing up?
Not so much.
So what did you think of the videos that I showed you? Did it make you appreciate what I'm going to do in the next 4 months? What's your message to me? What do you want to say to everyone who's watching?
Thanks for watching our video.
I hope that you liked that video, and I hope that you learned a lot about your different options when it comes to childbirth. And I hope that if you're watching these videos, that it makes you appreciate the beauty and the struggles, the good, the bad, and the ugly of childbirth. Nakuyawan ako. I have 4 months to prepare. Don't forget to follow ByTV and of course Bayhana on YouTube. And you can follow me, I'm Issaplease, on all my socials. Don't forget,
Knowledge
okay.
is power!
Okay.